NYTech Global Campus Connect. This event is a wonderful opportunity to connect with people from different countries and backgrounds. At NITech, we are proud to have so many international students studying with us, and many Japanese students who go abroad to learn and challenge themselves. Through these experiences, we not only learn languages and culture, but also broader perspectives and experiences. I hope that tonight's gathering will be a place for open conversation and friendship, where you can share your experiences, your cultures, and your dreams for the future. To all Japanese students,皆さん、外国に行って勉強するようにしてください。And to our international students, please continue to enjoy life at NYTech and share your wonderful experience at NYTech with the world. Now let us raise our glasses to new friendships and mutual understandings and a bright future for ours. Okay? Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye. All right.